Hindi magandang solar-powered e-bike? Ito na ang NXT Infinity version 3, ang latest version ng NXT Infinity na para kang nasa business class dahil tinutukan naming tanggalin ang tagtag sa biyahe at higit sa lahat, solar pa. Ang unit na ito ay powered ng MPPT technology na kino-convert at nire-regulate ang init to energy na galing sa araw to charge the battery. Meaning, you can ride longer without worrying na mawawalan ka ng battery. Hindi lang basta solar-powered ang NXT Infinity version 3. Ito ay naka-centered steering wheel na kaya mas madali nang i-drive. May battery na 60 volts and 25 amperes with motor of 1,500 watts. With range from 30 up to 50 kilometers, speed from 25 up to 35 kilometers per hour, na may tires na 3x10. Ang loading capacity naman ng Infinity ay 350 kilos and a charging time from 6 to 8 hours. Meron din itong 18-tube controller at hindi ka mabibitin sa akyatan dahil meron siyang low and high gear. 3 times durable ito versus sa regular paint dahil powdered coated chassis frame ang meron dito. Anti-theft alarm, aluminum alloy wheels, hindi rin kakalawangin dahil ang ginamit dyan ay stainless steel external screw. Meron siyang built-in voltmeter, longer and top quality shocks absorber with wiper, rear compartment, under seat compartment with battery box, mini fan, audio system with Bluetooth, with rain cover, safety handle, and available in 5 different colors. NXT Infinity version 3 comes with the following warranty: 1 year on motor, 6 months on charger, battery, and controller. For trust-driven mobility, NXT e-bike, test drive one today.